Karen's voice, it never stops. Spouts her thoughts, let them spill and drop. Her son's death, a tale she spins, veils the grief to pull folks in. Her daughter grown, but slow in mind. Karen's tacky weeds grow unconfined. Gypsy, her cat, with a vicious snap, rules her world like a cruel trap. Oh, Karen, loud and unaware, spilling opinions no one cares to hear. Her tacky projects, her pets run wild. Karen's world, foolish and beguiled. She plants her weeds in pots and rust, calls it art, but it's just dust. A storm shelter squats, a front yard blight. Neighbors scoff at her garish sight. Her daughter falters, Karen didn't care, too busy preaching to the open air. Her mother sighs, calls her a dunce. Karen's too thick to feel the punch. Oh, Karen, loud and unaware, spilling opinions no one cares to hear. Her tacky projects, her pets run wild. Karen's world, foolish and beguiled. Gypsy snarls, claws at every guest. Her dogs wreak havoc, no peace, no rest. She waves her son's flag for all to see, but her voice just glints, sharp as can be. She digs her holes, fills junk with pride, thinks it's grand, but it's junk inside. Her mother shakes her head dismayed. Karen's blind to the fool she's made. Oh, Karen, loud and unaware, spilling opinions no one cares to hear. Her tacky projects, her pets run wild. Karen's world, foolish and beguiled. Karen lost in her tacky schemes. Gypsy glare haunts her broken dreams. Her tacky projects, her pets run wild. Karen's world, foolish and beguiled. Karen lost in her tacky schemes. Gypsy's glare haunts her broken dreams. Her tacky projects, her pets run wild. Karen's world, foolish and beguiled. Karen lost in her tacky schemes. Gypsy's glare haunts her broken dreams.